Hey y'all, welcome back to Jersey Girls Cooking. So today we are making Vodka Rigatoni. I like to have a base of Vodka Rigatoni sauce. I have a can of diced tomatoes, heavy whipping cream, my garlic as usual. To top it off, Parmesan cheese, and I add bacon in my vodka rigatoni, and I also have shrimp that is already unthawed, and I'm going to rinse this out now. So on camera real quick, we're going to get the bacon cut first. Now I have like half a pack of bacon that I split in half. I already got the water boiling for the penne noodles. I'm not using the vodka rigatoni, so that is boiling. I already added my oil and my salt to the water, and I'm just going to cut this up into strips. Sit this on the side real quick. Get the bacon turned. Oh, that garlic and that bacon smells fabulous. So they don't shrink up so much. Alright, so sauce has boiled down. I'm going to open up the jar. Add that in here. Now you can drain the bacon grease if you want. I just like that for the flavor. This is not a health conscious menu, so just be aware of that. And I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream. Bit of Italian seasoning in it. Just on top. Turn the oven down as on number 3. The noodles are done. I'm going to drain these and then I'll be back. And then the next step will be to add the shrimp and then it's done. And then we're going to do the salad and the Italian bread. That is boiling. That is done. I'm just going to add my shrimp. I'm going to save a few for the salad. Put the shrimp in. And it don't need to cook no more. Them shrimp will get heated up from the sauce, and it's done. It to keep even and not all crumbling, and your shell will come right off. So I'm just going to cut 1 egg up. Alright, y'all, I finished my salad. Now I'm going to move on to making my vodka rigatoni. So I'm putting it in the container because I'm about to run out. But sorry that is not on a regular plate. And actually, this is my son's plate, so I'm going to do his on camera for y'all. And that's all it is to it. I mean, very easy meal. You get all the sauce in there. See that? OMG. And then a piece of garlic bread. Garlic bread came out. Then your salad on the side and it's done. So I hope that you enjoyed this dish. If you make it, always come back and let me know how did it come out for you. And if you never had it, drop down in the comments and leave me a lovely comment. If you're new to the channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're just coming over and watching. I would appreciate it. It helps to keep my channel growing. So with that being said, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed for another Jersey Girls Cooking. Bye-bye.